This 19-in-1 pocket knife multi-tool from the Zabit store arrived, and we're gonna open it up and have a look at it. This is a really cool multi-tool. I like the look and feel of it. It has a lot of features to it. This one is all black in color. The case is also black and it is soft with a belt loop. So this one comes with a pocket knife, a saw, a 6-bit screwdriver set, rope cutter, can and bottle opener, whistle, fire starter, glass breaker, tactical rope mouth, slotted screwdriver, crowbar. It has some Allens and some little pins like micro screwdrivers, injection pins. It's also magnetized where the injection pins and the little Allens go. They slide in, but there's also a magnetized section there too, so that way they stick and then you just slide them in. This one has a lot packed into a very, very compact space. I like it. It has a good feel to it. Hope you do too, and I hope you have a great day.